tutorial video, I'm going to be introducing you to Kinemaster. So if you don't have the app, you can check the description below and you'll find the link to download the app. So let's get started. This is the app over here and this is how it looks like. So once you click on the app, this is what it gives you. If you haven't done anything on the app, you won't see all this. These are all the videos I've created using this app. These are the videos I've created using this app. So to create a new video, click on this middle button over here. We are not really going to be creating anything. I just want to introduce you to the main things we have on this app. Okay, so we have ratios. We have 16:9. This is how 16:9 looks like. The size of 16:9. If you want your video to have should I call it a rectangular shape, then you use 16:9. Okay, let me just pick a background. So this is how 16:9 looks like. Okay, let me delete this and let's go back. Then 9:16. Let me show you how it looks like. Like I said, we are not going to create any videos today. I just want to explain some of the important tools here on Kinemaster to you, so while watching other videos you have a better understanding. So this is the size of 9:16, and then the last one, which is 1:1. Let me show you the size. This is the size of 1:1. So depending on what you want to create and what you want to use it for. Okay, let me take for example, if you want to create a video, once you click on your ratio, it takes you directly to your media browser to pick a background or the video you'd love to create. Okay, so let me pick a background. Let's take for example, I picked this background. Okay, so on this background now you can do some editing. You can add clip graphics to it. You can add clips graphics to it from any of these. Once you've added any clip graphic, then just click on your good mark sign over here. You can change the color, your color filters. You can change the color. You can give it some. Now can you see the color is changing? The color is changing. So this is what color filters is used for. That is if you want to edit your background, then you can do some adjustments. You can increase the brightness and the contrast and the saturation, and you can also make it darken it using your vignette, this one over here. And if you don't want it, you can just switch it off like this. So that is that for our background. And if the background is too long, maybe the video you are trying to create is short and the background is long, you can trim it over here. Okay, you can trim it. So now if you want to write on your background, what you are going to do is you click on your layer and then you click on text. That is when you can write something on your background. Okay, let's write something now. Okay, let me write smartphone max. Okay, so this smartphone max now, if you want to change the font, just click on your capital letter A and small letter A over here, and then you have so many fonts. Can you see the font? You can change the font. Okay, let's see. Yes, the font has been changed already. If you want display, come to display. If you want Latin, come to Latin. If you want Sherry, come to Sherry. And then if you don't have so many fonts on your phone, you can also download fonts. Once you click on your capital letter A and small letter A, then you click on your Kinemaster store over here. Then click on T, and then you see so many fonts you can download. Okay, let's click on this. You see so many fonts you can download over here. You can download fonts here. Okay, you can download overlay, you can download music or any other thing from your Kinemaster asset store. Okay, so these are the fonts you can download here. We have sans serif, we have display, we have handwriting. Look at them over here. So once you click, let me take for example, I want to download this one. Okay, it's processing. Then you click on download. It's installed already. So let's go back. We are going to find it. If you don't find it here, let's click here. We didn't find it here. Let's click here. Okay, I think this is it because I don't have something like this on my phone before. So if you don't have any fonts, I downloaded all these fonts. So if you don't have, just come to your Kinemaster store over here. Can you see it here? Come to your Kinemaster store over here, and then you download your fonts. Make sure you know. Okay, let me take for example, I downloaded under display. Okay, this should be under display. Krisha should be under display. Okay, you downloaded under display. So once you get back, make sure you check under display. Okay, this is it. Krisha regular. Yes. So that is how to download fonts. That is that for fonts. And if you want to change the color, you come over here. You can change the color. You can change the color. You can change the color. You can also create your own color. Clicking on the second icon over here, and then you move it like this. Move it like this. Can you see you've created your color? If you want blue, just move it. If you want green, move it. If you want yellow, move it. Once the color is not here, you can come down over here and create your own color. So that is that for our text. Okay, you can also give it an in animation, how you want it to come in. If you want it to drop while coming in, okay, let's play this now and see. Our smartphone marks drop. If you want to give it an out animation, okay, let's take for example, you want it to snap close. Okay, let's play this and see. Yes, it snap close while going out. And if you want to give it an overall animation, you can just, okay, let's take for example, I give it fountain. Can you see the way it's just dropping? Okay, so that is that for our text. Or let me see if there's some other things I can explain. Okay, you can give it a text outline by clicking on this. Can you see we have an outline already? You can give it a shadow. You can give it shadow by clicking on it. We have our shadow already. Then you can give it a background color. Just click on it. Once your background color is not coming out well, click on this transparent color over here, and then you increase the opacity. Once you increase the opacity, you have your background color already. So once you play, the in animation and the out animation you give to it will still be effective. Now on this same layer we have our media. Let's say for example you want an image or a video to be on your background. Then once you click here, once you click on your layer, you click on media, and then you bring in the image or video you'd love to use. Okay, let me take for example, I would love to use where is my videos? Okay, let me take for example, I would love to use something like this. Okay, I would love it to be on this background like this. Okay, so let's play this and see. Okay, can you see? So that is that for. So you can also give it an in animation, you can give it an out animation, you can give it an overall animation. As time goes on and we keep learning more on Kinemaster, you are going to learn how to use all the tools on Kinemaster. So this is for your effects. We have so many effects here on Kinemaster, and if you don't have much effect on Kinemaster, you know what to do. Once you click on your effect, then you go to your Kinemaster Assets Store, which is Get More. Just click on Get More, and then you download effect. On this overlay too, we have on this layer too, we have overlay. Okay, let's take, we have so many overlay here, and if you don't have any, or if you want more, just go to Get More and then you download more. Let's take for example, I want to use this overlay. Okay, so let me increase the size, then play it. Okay, it can be used to beautify your video. You can also put it at the edge here. You can put it at the edge. Let's see it. Okay, can you see that? It can also be used to beautify your video and make it look more stunning. Okay, on this layer too, we have our handwriting tool. Just check out all our videos and you'll see how to create a video using your handwriting tool. Okay, so once you've done creating your video and you want to add a music, you just come to your audio over here, and then you can use from the songs you have on your phone. And if you don't want to use any songs from the song you have on your phone, click on SFX Asset, and then you download songs from Kinemaster Asset Store. The same way we downloaded the fonts, just download your music. Once you've downloaded your music, come to your music asset here, and then you find all the music you've downloaded and you can use any. Okay, let's save it. Now let's play. Can you see? Okay, so once you've downloaded it and you use it, then you have it. Let's take, for example, you want to do a voiceover. You created a video and you would love to do a voiceover. Just click on your voice here. Then once you know you are ready for your voiceover, click on start. Once you finish recording, you have your voice over. So for this media, it is used to bring in another background or another image. If you need another background or another image, just click on the media at the top right over there, and then it takes you to, okay, let's take, for example, I want to bring in another video. Okay, let me just say I want to bring in this video. So after our background finished displaying, then we have our video. Okay, so for this video now, let's take, for example, you want to give it an animation before it brings in this video. Just click on this plus icon at the middle here, and then it takes you to your transition effect. Let's take, for example, I want to give it a travel activity transition effect. So once this background finished playing, then can you see our transition effects? We have so many transition effects, and you can also download more. That is from Get More over here from your Kinemaster assets. So let's take, for example, I want to use this. Can you see? This app can be used to create so many amazing videos. Okay, here you can, if you want to create a video directly, you can just use your camera directly, and then your video appears here. But doing that is not advisable. So this is how to use Kinemaster. These are the tools we have on Kinemaster. Once you've done downloading your video and you want to download, just click on the right top over here, and then you download your video. If you want your video to be of high quality, you can increase it, and if you don't really want it to be of high quality, you can reduce it to a lesser MB. So these are the tools we have on Kinemaster. As time goes on and we keep creating videos, we are going to learn how to use all the tools on Kinemaster, and you are going to understand it better.